We know how exhausting headaches can be. And we gathered some tips and tricks that can help you deal with these annoying sensations. Today's video will discuss 5 headache hacks to help you feel better. 1. Give acupressure a try. Many charts depict the acupressure points on our ears as a child in a fetal position, and there are lots of pressure points on our ears that correspond to different parts of our body. 2. Avoid smoked foods. Although smoked foods surely taste delicious, it's better not to buy a smoker if you suffer from headaches. 3. Soothe pain with a cold gel pack. If your headache is so strong you can barely get up, then applying cold or frozen compresses to your neck or head can help alleviate the annoying symptoms. 4. Have some coffee. Many coffee lovers know that nothing can make morning headaches go away faster than a hot cup of java. In addition to boosting your mood and helping you face the day, sipping coffee has been proven to have a positive effect on headaches. 5. Wear your hair loose. Although nothing seems more convenient than putting your hair up in a bun, it's better to opt for loose hairstyles to avoid painful headaches. Wearing your hair in a tight ponytail might cause external compression on your head, leading to migraines. Do you know any other hacks for how to deal with them? Let me know in the comment section below.